Okay, so I just got back from a little birthday dinner and I wanted to show you guys how I like to use my new best friend, my makeup melting cleanser. It's so easy after a long night. I have like pretty heavy makeup on right now, so I want you guys to see how easy it is. I'm gonna take a shower. So yeah, usually I'll do it in the shower, but obviously I'm not taking you guys in the shower with me, so here we go. Okay, so first I'm gonna put my hair up, obviously. And then I like to actually, I don't know why I do this, but I like to like wet my face a little bit so it just glides easier. And then so you can see it all. And then I'll go my lips. Then, as you can see, there's really not a trace of anything left. So I'm gonna take a shower and then I'm gonna wash my face again with a normal cleanser. It's just really made my nights a whole lot easier. It's so fast. I really feel like it takes off everything. You also don't, this works as a cleanser too. So you could just use this, especially for lazy nights after a long night out. And shout out to you guys who've already tried it. I see your reviews and I'm so happy you guys love it as much as I do. It has really been a big part of my routine now, so swipe up and check it out.